Market Recap is brought to you by MyMoneyJA, the official data partner of Money Media. Get 10% off your subscription with the code MONEYMISSION. The JSE Combined Index was mostly flat last week. 126 stocks traded across the main and junior markets for the week ending Friday, July 4, 2025. 58 made gains, 54 lost value, and 14 stayed the same. 544 million shares changed hands on the Jamaican dollar market, valued at $814 million. R.A. Williams was the week's most traded stock, with 395 million shares changing hands. It started the week at 51 cents. Wigton traded the second most shares. It opened Monday at $1.18. And TJH rounded out last week's most traded stocks. Now let's see who had the biggest gains. ISP Finance was the JSE's top stock, up 32% to open the week at $15.08. Nutsport Express had the second biggest gain, up 26%, and Jetcon rounded out the top stocks, up 19%. On the losing side now, MPC Caribbean Clean Energy USD was the week's biggest loser. The stock lost 29% to start the new week at 39 cents US. Cygnus Real Estate JMD was down almost 15% to close out the week at $7.25, and Salada Foods was also down about 15%. Over on the Trinidad and Tobago Stock Exchange, the composite index was mostly flat last week. Massey was the TTSE's most traded stock. It opened Monday at $4 TT. Unilever Caribbean was the TTSE's top gainer, up 7%. And on the losing side, Trinidad Cement fell 4% to open Monday at $2.05 TT. Over in the U.S., the Dow Jones gained 3% last week, while the S&P 500 and the Nasdaq were up about 2%. At the pumps, gas prices fell $3.06 last week, while diesel prices dropped by $2.94. In foreign exchange trading, it took an average $160.77 Jamaican to purchase $1 US last Friday. That's 5 cents less than the week before. $1 Canadian cost on average $118.52 Jamaican. $1 British pound cost $220.24 Jamaican. And you could buy €1 for $188.59 Jamaican on average. Finally, on the crypto markets, Bitcoin prices were mostly flat over the past 5 days, trading at $108,758 on Monday. Meanwhile, Ethereum was also flat, trading at $2,563 on Monday. Market Recap was brought to you by MyMoneyJA, the official data partner of Money Media.